So first of all, just open your Windows search icon and then type in services. So if this is app looking something like this, and then just open this app here, and then you should receive a list with all of your Windows services that are currently running or not running, and then just select anything in there and type in parental, so that you can see this task or this service here that is called parental controls, or you can also just manually search it, but it's easier to just type it in. And then we can already see on the left side here, description enforces parental controls for child accounts in Windows. If this service is stopped or disabled, parental controls may not be enforced perfectly. Then just right click on it and click on properties. And here, first of all, change the startup type to disabled, click on apply, and it should be stopped. And that's already it. And we can just click on cancel and click on close. And that's how you can leave your family group and enjoy all of the functions that are available and not be restricted. That's it. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.